Hi loves, welcome back. Today we have a quick mobility routine for our hips. When you are ready, we'll begin. We're actually going to start off using a wall. We have leg swings on each leg. We'll go for 10, starting with our right. Switch sides. And this time we are going to take our swings to the side. Try to let your leg do most of the work, so keeping your body as stable. Let's try that again. That was 10. Finish up if you have to. We're gonna go straight into lizard lunge. You may stay on your hands or come down to your elbows. In your lizard lunge, try to keep the knee straight. It's a natural tendency to open it up like this. You can for a bit, but we want to rest with the knees straight ahead. Use your hands to help you come up. Swing the right leg back. Moving on to our left side. Again, you can use your hands to help you open up a bit. But once we get settled into our pose, we want the knees straight ahead. Use your hands to help you come up into a forward fold. Wide-legged forward fold. Bend the right knee. Skandasana to the right. Use your hands for support if you need it. Or you may bring your hands either at your knees or to heart-centered. Use your hands to come down. Drop the knee on the mat. Continue to extend the left leg out. And slowly, gently Bring your sit bones on the heels and then come back up. We'll do that for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come onto your elbow and extend the left leg out as much as possible. We'll pause. Slowly come back up, back into your wide-legged forward fold, and slowly start to shift the body over to the left side. Skandasana to the left. Again, use your hands for support if you need it. You may bring the back heels on the mat or stay on your tippy toes. Take whatever variation that feels good in your body. Lower the knees. Extend the right leg out. Bring your sit bones down on the heels. Then back up. You got 4 more. 3, 2, 1. We'll pause. This is a deep stretch, so be very gentle with your body. Meet your body where you are. Never force yourself into getting deeper into a pose. With more practice and time, it'll come. Come back up into your wide-legged forward fold. Inhale, exhale, fold. Rotate the body forward. Coming into a tabletop. Lift the right knee off the mat. Point to the toes. Rotate. Bring it back up and rotate it back. So we'll do that 3 more times. Up and around. Bring it towards the side and back up. That's 1. And that's 2. And our last one. Really exaggerate the movement. Bring your knee in close to the body. Wrap it around the left leg. Grab your toes. Open your heart. Lean towards your right thigh. You should feel a stretch right here in your glutes. We'll repeat that on the other side. That's 2. That's 3. Knee to chest. Wrap it around. Chest is open. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Really want to do that one more time because it feels so good. Come back to tabletop. Extend the right leg out. Stabilize yourself, engage your core, slightly tuck in the tailbone. You want your leg parallel with your hips. Inhale, lift the leg up. Exhale, lower. You may notice that you may not go up that much. That's okay. With practice, you'll get better and stronger. 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1. You want to keep your body as stable as possible, letting your leg do most of the movement. 4. I think we just did 5. 5. Come back to center. Let's do a couple of cat cows. Because we know that with hip mobility, our core and our spine play a huge part of that. Come into your down dog. Lift your right leg up, rotate it, creating a big half circle. Bring it back over. So you're creating a big half circle with your foot. That was 3. 2 more. 4. And then 5. The other side. 1. 2. 3. Just do one more. Step into a yogi squat or Skandasana. Use your triceps to push the knees away. You may stay here in your yogi squat for about 5 full breaths, or if you want to, you may lower the left knee and then the right, alternating between the 2. Come back to a tabletop. Spread the knees out. We'll end with our last exercise. That's frog. Okay, lift the body up. And come into a seated position. Butterfly the feet. You may continue to be here in your butterfly doing your gentle pulses. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below of any classes that you'd like to see more of. I'll see you in the next class.